want to teach you how to make a pom-pom cushion today. So for this we will need a plain pillowcase, some wool, some scissors, a pencil, some cardboard and 2 round objects, one much smaller than the other. So let's take our cardboard and use the 2 round objects to draw one circle within the other. Try and get this as central as you can. And then cut it out. You can do a slit through the outer circle to get to the inner circle, and we'll be needing this slit to insert our wool later. And then use this shape and we'll draw around it again to make a second circle. And you'll end up with 2 of these kind of C-shaped circles. All right, time to get started with our pom-pom. So take your wool or yarn and wrap it round and round and round until you get a sort of fat croissant shape. Just make sure not to go too close to the end or your wool can slip off into that gap. And the more you wind the wool round and round, the fatter your pom-pom will be. And then snip off the end when you're happy. There's our fat croissant shape. And you're going to take your scissors and just cut a loose bit of wool that we're going to use later on to pull the pom-pom together. And then you're going to take your scissors and use them to cut between the 2 bits of cardboard down the spine. And the wool will pop open just like so. So then take that bit of string you'd already cut and use it to tie between the 2 bits of cardboard, nice and tight. And I just did a few square knots here to make it nice and secure. And then you can pull off the cardboard once you're happy it is secure. And voila, you have a nice fluffy pom-pom. So give it a bit of a spruce up and a fluff, and you can trim off any excess wool to make it a little rounder. And that is how you make a pom-pom. So I'm going to make 20 of these. I just put a film on and sat down and worked away making 20 pom-poms. Here it is all laid out around the pillowcase, and then it's just a case of sewing them on. So to sew them on, I just use some extra thick thread, I made sure I went round the central part that's holding the pom-pom together and just stitched it into place on the pillow. And when it came to the zipper end of the pillow, I just made sure to go one side of the zipper so that this could still be functional. Then it was just a case of putting the pillow insert inside. This one was also from IKEA. And there we have it, our lovely pom-pom cushion.